Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given a line graph which is marking the number of media players sold over time. And we're asked, what fraction of the number of media players sold in 2011 is the number sold in 2008? So this is our fraction right here, right? The 2008 divided by 2011. Right, and make sure you do it in this way because that will change the answer. It's saying what fraction is 2008 of 2011, so 2011 is going to be on the bottom in the denominator. So how many are in 2008? Well, we look at the graph and we say, okay, we're going here. 2008 is going to correlate with this point, and finding the y value of that, the number of players sold. Come across here, we land right here on this point, which is representative of 100. So there were 100 sold in 2008. Then we do a similar thing, going all the way to 2011, right? The odd numbers aren't marked, but they're obviously going to be in between the even numbers. So 2010, 2011. So that's going to go up to this point, and then going across in a similar way to find its y value. That's going to correspond with 160 media players sold. So what fraction is this? Well, if you divide both sides by 20, right, you can think of this as dividing by 20 over 20, which is 1, since 20 divided by 20 is equal to 1. 100 divided by 20 is 5. 160 divided by 20 is 8. If you can't see that immediately, just chop off a 0. You can always do that with division or multiplication, with division, not for multiplication. So you have 10 divided by 2, 16 divided by 2 is 5 over 8, which is going to be your final answer, the fraction of media players sold in 2008 out of media players sold in 2011. But as always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.